morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the website development NC3 assessment. I will be your assessor for today. My name is Kurt Ojel Garcia Vergas, and today I will be your accredited assessor. So before we begin, let us first acknowledge the presence of our processing officer as well as our assessment center manager and as well as our lovely TESDA representative. Then, before we begin, if as I call on your name, you may sign on this attendance sheet. But before that, I would like to inform everyone that we have here the application form as well as the self-assessment guide. These are two files that indicates that you are ready to take the assessment. So firstly, let's begin. Mr. Bacuetes. Here, sir. And Mr. Taff. Okay, so the purpose of this assessment is to assess your abilities or to verify your abilities if you have met the standards for the web development NC3. So, the qualification for this assessment is includes three competencies, which are the basic, common, and the core competencies. Among the core competencies, it includes the utilize software methodologies, develop responsive web design, create interactive website, and as well as develop website backend systems. Then, you will be assessed through your outputs, performance, and as well as your evidences. The evidence must be sufficient, authentic, and as well as recent or current, rather. This will be done through three tests, which are firstly the written test, then we will proceed to the demonstration, then finally the oral questioning. So for the rules and safety reminders now, once the assessment begins, no one may leave the class unless it is an emergency. And if anyone has any questions before we begin the assessment, you may ask them now, because I will not, once the assessment begins, I will not entertain any more questions. Does anyone have a question? None? Okay, let's proceed. You have the right to reassess if you are found to not be competent for today's assessment. You have the right to reassess soon. Then for full qualification reassessment, you repeat the entire process. If you are found not competent in some units, you will be reassessed, which will only focus on those areas. If you fail twice, you may undergo a refresher course before reapplying, and your national certificate will be distributed among your provided email addresses within 1 to 3 days. Then for safety, in case any accidents happen, you may call on my name so that I may address it immediately. If you are a PWD or if anyone among you requires any translations, you may call upon this and notify me so that I may adjust your assessment appropriately. Okay. So before we proceed, does everyone understand the rules and regulation of the assessment for today? Do you understand? So, as a confirmation, you may sign on these agreement forms. Are you done, sirs? Are you done? Thank you. So, without further ado, let's now, I will distribute to you identification cards, which are number 1 and number 2. So, if I call on your numbers later, you may follow. So, let's begin. First, we will start with the written test. So I will give you 30 minutes to finish these tests. may pass. If you are able to finish the test before the time is up, you may pass it in front. So you may not begin. Okay, time is up. You may pass the written activities for this. Thank you, sirs. Thank you. Then let's proceed to the demonstration part of the assessment. So if I call on your number, or once I call on your number, you may proceed to the computer laboratory, which is located at 306, just right there. Then you may begin your demonstration. So number one, please follow me to the computer laboratory. But before we begin, sir, I will provide you a set of, specific instructions in order to properly demonstrate the output. So once you have read all of this, you may begin. Are you finished, sir? Yes. Thank you. You may go back to the institutional assessment area and please call on number 2. Okay, number 2. I will provide you a specific set of instructions in order for you to completely follow and for you to provide the output. So if you are ready, please begin. Are you done, sir? Yes, sir. Thank you. You may now move back to the assessment. After we have done the demonstration, we will now proceed to the oral questioning. So if I call on your number, please come forward in order for us to conduct or to begin the oral questioning. Number 1, please. So as a third set of your assessment, so we will begin the oral questioning. So firstly, what is HTML? Okay, sir. Thank you. Then the next number, what is CSS? Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Number 2. Alright, sir, as the third part of your assessment, I will now begin the oral questioning. So firstly, what is the abbreviation of HTML? Then next, what is the abbreviation of CSS? We proceed to the assessment. Thank you. As I call on your number, please proceed to the institutional assessment area for your feedback. Number 1, please. Mister Number 1, how did you feel about the assessment earlier? Okay, now we can see that validly reflected on your assessment, no? And as well as on your written activity. So, although there were minor areas of improvement, you have still met the required competency standard or competency outcome. So, with this, I now, based on your results, I now announce you as competent in web development and CPA. And congratulations, sir. You may return to your seat and please call on number 2. Now, number 2, how did you feel about the assessment? Challenging.
Yes.
Okay. You were able to create the basic structure for the backend systems. However, the database integration was very incomplete. Required functionalities were not executed as well as they were. So based on your performance, I announce you as not yet competent. But do not fret, as you may request for a reassessment at your convenience at any time. So thank you. You may return back to your seat. Good morning, ma'am. These are all the required documents for the rest of the assessment of the day. Is it fine?
Yes.
Alright, with this, everyone, I would like to congratulate you all on taking your assessment for today. Congratulations on those who are competent or who are announced as competent, and for those who are not yet competent, you may reassess in the future for your qualification. Then with this, thank you for your cooperation, and I now conclude this.